Welcome back to Om and Manu's World. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. 10 simple lines on Peacock. Point number 1. Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds on earth. Point number 2. Peacock is also the national bird of India. Point number 3. Peacock is a colorful bird with long wings and beautiful feathers. Point number 4. Peacocks have a long, shining dark blue neck. Point number 5. They have a crest or crown on their head. Point number 6. Peacocks prefer living in the forests and do not build nests. Point number 7. Peacocks can fly only for short distances. Point number 8. Peacock looks very beautiful when it dances merely in the rain. Point number 9. The female peacock is called a peahen. Point number 10. Peacocks are considered as the king of birds. So I hope these 10 simple lines on Peacock really helped you on some lines on Peacock or an essay on Peacock. So thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press the notification bell for more videos, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram too. Until next time on Om and Manu's World. Bye for now.